Girl, this synthetic wig is itchy. You walk into the club and you like, bam, shoulder.
Good, love me, feel so, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride me, ride me.
What's up, beauties? It's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's all about a Fenty. I want to thank you again for all the love you showed on my previous Fenty review. I was like, girl, this is doing numbers low-key, so I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much, and thank you to everyone who has joined the family since then. So you guys do like the Fenty reviews, let them know I sent you. Okay, but yeah, they just relaunched their Body Lava. They did have 2 shades last year. Was it last year? Has it been a year? I think it's been a year. 2 shades last year, and then they just re-released those and added a new shade. The new shade they added is Trophy Wife, which is the highlighter that I am wearing today. Do you see the gold? Do I look like a trophy? I feel like one. So let's get into the review. I was not sent this product. I took my little self to Sephora myself on Hollywood Boulevard. And I saw all 3 Body Lavas. I actually had one on hold because I was like, if somebody cops this before me, we gonna fight. We gonna be glittering and fighting, okay? So I did have one on hold, but I wanted to swatch the other ones just so y'all could see it. Now, I had already previously tried the lightest shade, but I went ahead and swatched it again for you guys. I also did the brown shade and the new one, Trophy Wife. When you first apply it and rub it in a little bit, it is super crazy sparkly, but the more you rub it in, the more it tones down a bit, so you're not like looking crazy, and it gives you a really nice, beautiful glow. And I really liked the brown shade. I had never tried that one before, and I like it because it gives me a little bit of a tint too, you know, like a little bit of a tan, like a slight Hawaiian breeze. But I didn't get that one. I got the Trophy Wife. I just like looking gold. Like, look, you see that? Okay, so this is the packaging that the Body Lava comes in. It is 3 fluid ounces, which I personally think this is a lot. It's about the size of my face, but this runs for $60. I feel like, personally, I feel like they should have either a travel size or just like a smaller size for 30 bucks, because I think this is a lot, and a little goes a long way, but this is the only size they have. And I feel like if you're going on vacation, you know, you want a travel size because you're not trying to glow like all the time, like every single day. I mean, maybe, but I'm not. Just like in the sun, if I got my bikini on, we're going to the beach, going to the pool, that's when I would wear this, or going out, but not as an everyday trying to shine, trying to sparkle. So I personally, if they had a smaller size, I would have got that, because I feel like this is gonna last me 2 years. Because like I said, a little bit does go a long way. Now, in addition to the Body Lava, they also do have a buffer brush, which runs for like $30 to $35. I did not pick it up. I kind of wish I did, just for the purpose of this video, but I just use my hands. I really do. And I know that's better because the glitter is not getting on your hands, but girl, just wash it off. You'll be fine. So let's do the shoulder thing. It's time, sis. Now, I am wearing straps. We're gonna try our hardest not to get it on my clothing, but you know, we'll see. So let me, I'm not close enough, hold on. Can y'all see that? All right, we're gonna do 2 pumps, 2 shots of vodka. I'm gonna forever say that. Look how cute it is. It's just like a little, like I said, I don't have the brush, so we're just gonna use our hand. And you can see we are getting a glow. Ah! Look at that. And it smells so good. I don't know what this smell is. Like a, I don't know. You know how the setting powder has like a nice kind of bakery type smell? This does too. Oh, it's so moisturizing. Now, people have talked about this being kind of sticky, and I realize it's when you keep layering more and more on. But other than that, it is super moisturizing. I feel like I'm also dry as hell, let's be honest. I got eczema and I'm dry. So it's actually really moisturizing in my opinion. And I just feel like, shea butter, baby. I feel so smooth. So as you can see, look at the glimmer. Look at the shine. It's like the step up from just putting baby oil on yourself. Add a little glitter, okay? Let's put this macro lens to use so you guys can see. Do you see the little particles? You see the little glitters? Yes, girl. I'm gonna go ahead and do it on my forearm so you guys can see like a before and after comparison. So you see that? You see how this is just like bland as hell, and this one's like, hey girl, we are ready for something. I don't know where we're going, but we ready. I rub this all even on the back, and you can see the difference. And I love how well that complements the highlighter, because they are the same shade. This one's a little bit more pigmented. This one, once you rub it in, it kind of like spreads out and you're not looking as pigmented as this. but it complements each other really well because it's the same shade and I love it. Body Lava is the perfect spring break glow. Like I said, they do have 3 shades, so you are bound to find one that matches your complexion best. I like the gold. I also like the brown sugar, I think that's what it is. My foundation shade is like a 385, so if you are around that complexion, I think those two you would like a lot on you. Even the lightest shade looks good too, but for really getting that pigment going, you know, melanin shining in the sun, I would say get the Trophy Wife or get the brown sugar. Glow this spring break, sis. I ain't playing with y'all. Go to Sephora, go to JCPenney, Sephora, Harvey Nichols, online, they got it. If you're a little hesitant about spending 60 bucks right off the bat plus the 30 for the buffer, just take a sample, get a sample from Sephora. They have the little mini cups. Y'all know by now you can get a little sample, try it out, see if you like it, see if you're not a huge fan. But when you are, you're gonna come back and make that purchase. I just know it. I know it. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have tried the Body Lava, let me know what you think of it and what your favorite shade is. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.